Hello, dear Leos. A very good morning to you guys. So, this is a mini love reading for all those who are in no contact with their particular person right now. And this is a reading from today till the end of June. So, we will tap into a partner's current feelings for you, your current feelings for them, and what they want from you, and what to expect from this person till end of June. Yeah, yeah, okay. So, let's see, Leos, your partner's current feelings for you, what this person feels for you, Leos. Let's see. Gosh, this person is right now in silent mode. Leos, I feel like this person is meditating a lot, self-caring a lot, because this person is deeply very hurt from inside. Okay, they want to have a brand new beginning in this connection that I can see, because three swords are up and one is down. So I feel like this person is deeply hurt by something that happened in the past, Leo. And this person is, ready to have a brand new beginning with you, but right now they are holding back. Right now they're feeling like they should hold back, and they should not, talk to you much, or they should not reveal to you much. This is what they are feeling right now for this particular connection. They're just praying to God, they're just hoping for the best for both of you, Leos. Let's see, Leos, your current feelings for your partner, your current feelings for this particular person are, Leos. Six of Pentacles. You want to have equal give and take in this connection. Okay, you want to put in equal effort as you are getting from this particular person. So I feel like you should mirror whatever they are doing. You're just trying to mirror them. For example, if they are right now holding back, you are just also trying to hold back. So it is like equal give and take energy from your side. So it is like, you can also say it is tit for tat energy from your side. Okay, this is what you are feeling right now. Equal give and take. Whatever they are doing, I'm going to do the same. This is your energy, Leos, right now. Okay, let's see what this particular person wants from you, Leos. Move on, the Chariot. I feel like this person wants you to move on, and they want you to be very successful. Okay, so I feel like this person wants you to be successful in your life, Leos. This is what they want from you. They want, this particular person wants to move on. Okay, and this person wants to be very successful and confident, and stay confident in whatever you are doing. This person is carrying lots of beautiful emotions for you, and lots of beautiful emotions for you. They are blessing you, they are wishing the good for you, they are wishing the best for you. This is what they want from you. They want you to move on from the shitty past, and be determined, be determined for your success, be determined for your professional life. This is what they want from you. This is good. What to expect from this person, Leos, till the end of June? What to expect from this person till the end of June? Eight of Pentacles. So I feel like this particular person will come towards you, and they will put in the effort, put in the energy to make this connection work out again. So I feel like this person will definitely come towards you, but for the time being, this person wants you to move on, and work on your success, work on your determination, work on your profession. And this particular person will come towards you, and they will put in the energy, put in the effort to make this relationship work out, to make this connection work out. Okay, till the end of June, I can see that this person is coming, and this person is making this, making this efforts, making this putting in this energy to make this connection work out. Can you see this person making the coins with their hands? So they will put in the energy. This is the thing. So for the time being, they just want you to move on and be successful in your life. This is what they want. And what they feel is they are deeply hurt, they are deeply saddened, and they are just trying to contemplate, trying to hold back, and trying to start their life all over again. Leos, this is a mini and quick reading. So thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. This is Anjali Tarot. Namaste.